Yung pinaka-affordable na rent-to-own condo ba sa BGC ang hanap mo? Well, this video is perfect for you.
So this is Park McKinley West, semi-furnished with upgraded deliverables, pet-friendly and also open din for Airbnb and rental business. 35 hanggang 336 square meter nga pala ang mga unit cuts namin dito. Kaya naman perfect na perfect if investment or personal use ang paggagamitan mo. Located nga pala ito sa loob ng 35 hectares development na tinatawag na McKinley West. Magkakaroon din ito ng mall sa baba kaya everything is in your reach na. 20 minutes away from the NAIA Airport, surrounded ka na din ng mga high-end establishment like embassies, international schools, commercial district, and more. Kaya naman mataas ang captured market in terms of rental business. Located dito sa Fort Bonifacio, kaya expect na magiging mataas ang price appreciation ng property, especially dito pag natapos yung mga future developments sa area, like etong ng subway, new Senate building, Supreme Court, mall sa baba ng condo, and marami pang iba.
If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or write a message.